হে গাইস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু ব্যাংকক ট্রাভেলার। তো আজকের পর্বে তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো ওয়েস্টার্ন সাইড অফ ক্রাবি, আওনাং বিচে ফায়ার শো আর নাইট লাইফ অফ আওনাং। তো তোমরা দেখতে থাকো। So before starting the vlog, please do subscribe and tap the bell icon. It's free, man. Please do. So let's start. So guys, good morning. So this is not a good day. Actually yesterday we have booked for Koh Phi Phi today, but I had minor injury at my leg, so this is my injury. We have cancelled our Koh Phi Phi trip. Now we are going for a beautiful cafe near beachside in Krabi for lunch there. So let's go. স্যাডলি আজকের Koh Phi Phiর প্ল্যানটা ক্যান্সেল করতেই হলো, কারণ এই পা নিয়ে স্নর্কেলিং করাটা সম্ভব হতো না। This one now, wake up on the beach. And for you,
this is sugarcane juice.
now we are at amazing restaurant in Krabi, and this is really beautiful, and you can see this is the view here, and the restaurant name is Banthale. So this is actually fusion kind of restaurant, so they have different kind of food, and food quality is amazing, and the price is also very reasonable. So if you are at Krabi, then you should come here. But this place is little bit isolated, so Krabi main Aonang place, you can able to see lot of people there, and lot of crowd, lot of tourists. So if you want to spend little bit private moment and have a good dinner or lunch while watching the amazing sunset, so you should come here, because sunset will be this side, so it will be amazing. And what a coincidence, I'm talking with you guys and I can able to see in horizon it is raining. So that rain, that cloud is coming this side. Looks very good. Hope we can able to see rainbow today, because it's sun outside and this is raining.
মনে হচ্ছিল যে এই বিচের আমরাই রাজা আর রানী। খুবই আইসোলেটেড বিচ আর খুবই সুন্দর সময় কাটালাম এখানে। এ এক অপূর্ব দৃশ্য, সমুদ্র সৈকত, একদিকে রোদ আর একদিকে বৃষ্টি। তোমরা যদি ক্রাবিতে প্রাইভেট টাইম স্পেন্ড করতে চাও ইন এ ফ্যান্সি রেস্টুরেন্ট উইথ রিজনেবল প্রাইস, তাহলে বানথালাই কিন্তু খুবই ভালো অপশন তোমাদের জন্য। তাই এই রেস্টুরেন্টটা ইজ হাইলি রেকমেন্ডেড বাই ব্যাংকক ট্রাভেলার।
So Krabi tour was amazing, really amazing, right?
Yeah.
So bad thing happened that because of my cramp we have cancelled the Phi Phi tour, but apart from that I think we have enjoyed a lot in today. So very sabai kind of, like we came to this amazing restaurant.
This is different, right?
It's different.
This is not tourist kind of thing.
Yeah, this is not a tourist place.
Yeah.
This part is not a tourist part actually, but we really enjoyed.
I like this kind of thing. Like The view and the lunch and the dessert and the drink.
It was amazing, really,
and
really
the
good.
salmon steak. Awesome.
Awesome.
এখন আমরা ফিরে চলে এসেছি আওনাং বিচে। এখানে কিছু সময় কাটাবো আর তারপর তোমাদের দেখাবো ফায়ার শো।
What are you doing?
I'm doing reel video.
What?
Reel video.
Oh, she's doing for reels. She's real queen.
No, I'm not. Trying to be.
Oh, she's trying to be a real queen.
এবার ফায়ার শোর পালা। রেডি তো?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but
ফায়ার শোটা থ্রিলিং ছিল, তাই না? এখন তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো আওনাঙ্গে স্ট্রিট অ্যান্ড নাইট লাইফ।
If you're coming to Krabi, Aonang, you can get few like different types of shirts like this. It's funky, and the price is 350 baht. And this is Smile brand. It's good actually. I have 3. If you're coming to Thailand, please do visit Krabi. It's beautiful. Share with your friends who are planning for Thailand travel to Krabi and other southern provinces. So I think this video will be helpful. Tomorrow we are going to Phuket. So today is the last day in Krabi and we enjoyed a lot. One thing happened that my leg cramped. Because of that, that Fifi plan cancelled. That's it, guys. Hope you like this video. See you next time with another episode of Southern
If you
Thailand.
like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget it, and let me know. Let us know in comment below how much you liking to watch our videos.
Yes, and you can check
My
Tulika's
video.
vibe. Yes.
Not about travel and all. It's about our lifestyle and fitness and beauty and fun.
Yep. Please check it out.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, Bang Bong Travelers.
First, and then if you are Bengali.
If you're Bengali. So bye bye.